can go to you and say, look, I have this note. This person is paying me $75,000, but yet I already invested $50,000. So the difference of it is $25,000, right? Let's share that profit. You make half, I make the other half. Half would be $12,500. I can say, pay me $8,000 today, and you are going to be getting $12,500 plus, mind you, they're paying interest on that money. We haven't even calculated that amount. Just off the face value, I get money right away. Yes, I lose out throughout, but I get the money right away. That's selling a partial.